At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a knife company can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? What types of knives are in demand? What are the current trends in the knife industry? 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your company's objectives, target market, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal structure and registration. Decide on the legal structure of your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and register your company with the appropriate authorities in your area. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required to operate a knife manufacturing business. 4. Design and development. Design your knives or collaborate with designers to create unique and appealing designs. Consider factors such as functionality, materials, and aesthetics. Develop prototypes and refine them based on feedback. 5. Supply chain management. Establish relationships with suppliers for raw materials such as steel, handles, and packaging. Ensure that your supply chain is reliable and can support your production needs. 6. Manufacturing process. Set up your manufacturing process. This may involve investing in equipment and hiring skilled craftsmen or partnering with manufacturers who can produce your designs to your specifications. 7. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity for your knife company, including a logo, website, and marketing materials. Create a marketing strategy to reach your target audience through online channels, trade shows, and partnerships. 8. Distribution and sales. Decide how you will distribute your knives. Will you sell directly to consumers through your website, or will you work with retailers and distributors? Develop sales channels that align with your business goals and target market. 9. Quality control. Implement rigorous quality control measures to ensure that your knives meet high standards of craftsmanship and durability. Reputation is crucial in the knife industry, so maintaining consistent quality is essential. 10. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build loyalty and repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any issues or concerns that arise. 11. Adapt and grow. Stay informed about industry trends and evolving consumer preferences. Continuously innovate your product offerings and adapt your business strategies to remain competitive in the market. Starting a knife company requires dedication, passion, and attention to detail, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.